On paper, every target looks important, so you build a plan to take all of them at once. Ambition creates complexity. Simplicity means preparing clear, uncomplicated plans that can be executed under pressure. The more moving parts a plan has, the more chances it has to fail when conditions change. One attack slows, another moves too far ahead. Coordination begins to collapse. Even small delays break synchronization. Units that were meant to support each other are now fighting alone. What if the plan were simpler? Instead of trying to control everything, you focus on what really decides the fight. One main effort, one supporting attack. Everyone knows where the decision will happen. With fewer moving parts, the force stays together and adapts when things change. Simple plans survive contact. Here, the plan was simple. The left wing was the main effort, taking each object one after another as they pushed through the town. The center line took the artillery position and held their ground, ready to screen any advance toward them. The main effort continues to push. The blue center line and artillery can now focus fire Red's left wing before they can reinforce and interrupt Blue's plans. But it's too late. They have no momentum, no cover, and no plan. Simplicity doesn't mean lack of thought. It means planning for reality, not perfection. In World War II, when the Allies made the decision to break into Nazi-occupied Europe, they didn't do it on a wide front all over France. They picked a very specific area in which coordination could be done most successfully, so if conditions changed, so can their plans as it was executed. These principles shape how battles are fought, but they don't explain every decision commanders face. In future briefings, we will apply these principles to real campaigns and tabletop scenarios. This has been Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.